This Huawei tab, the power button had the issue. Power button had the issue. Now look at what's happening. Now look at the power side area. If you check where you see that it was cut out and replaced with another one. Are you seeing it? With the jumper. So I trace with my meter to check the continuity of these places are connected so that I don't make mistake. When you place on the center one, you check each of the leg. Which one, anyone that read continuity is the connection. I check the other one. You check once you check the center circle, you check the outer circle. Then make your connection. Add it to here, this place. Then you come for the. Let me show you how to trace the leg of the connection where you connect it so that you don't breach. Now you check this way. You check. Look at the legs here. Now see this one is the earth. The first one is earth. Second one is earth. Third one is reading number. Then you check with all this connection here and see if it's connected. So that I don't go and connect it so that it will breach. You can see this one is connected. This one here is connected. Check the second one. Now check the third one. Why this last one is earth. Now make your connection from the right side. That is the power. After this 1, 2, 3. Make your connection from the right side, which is this place. This is the power button while making your connection. Once you connect this one to the positive, you connect earth. Here is earth. Connect here. The phone will power. Now let's go. Just connect. Make sure you connect one leg to earth. One to this is for Huawei tab and some other phones. For tablet phones, you want to wire most of the tablet phones. And connect the second one to earth. Connect to earth. Face here. Because here is earth, so you look for a way and cover it. But although here is covered already, it will not be. So I will not be bothering covering it. But if you check your own, because all these places are earth, but here is covered already. So I will not be covering this. I will not be using tape to cover here. I just connect the screen that way. See the connection. So the connection to this place and earth. So is positive there. Why this one is for power button. The volume is already working. The water quite the power button is not in the market here. button. Button has on. A white tab. You can see the Huawei. Yeah, your job is done. Like and subscribe, share.